Hello, good evening, and happy Canada Day. It's the 1st of July, new month. We can leave the previous month behind us. We're back to crypto trading day 7. Let's take a look at what's been going on. A couple of good news, actually. Got some good stuff prepared for you guys. And, oh, yeah, by the way, look at this. This is my projection from the previous video. If I can find it, actually, I do want to kind of look that up. 1 second. Nah, it's too much work. Whatever. Trust me, I did do this projection, right? We had this downtrend coming down. I told you guys 60,000 is a good support level for Bitcoin. Where likely Bitcoin would not go less than that because the bulls are ready to buy around this area. This is the only part where it kind of slipped due to a lot of ETF selling. However, now that's not the case anymore. So, should be good here. And I did predict that, get this out. Okay, just have my RSI stuff also ready. That we would break out from this area right over here around the beginning of the month. And that exactly happened yesterday. I even left the circle marked here. We reached this level and we broke out from it. We're now at this new level in between this range, between 62,000, 61,000, right? So, I mean, we're looking pretty solid here. We actually did reach a maximum over here of 63,800. So, yeah, between those two levels, actually, 62,000, 63,000. We're close to 64,000, which is a good thing. In terms of the trades, I don't think I did any trades since, yeah, the 27th. Last time I streamed was, I think, the 28th. I didn't stream on the 29th and 30th. I was busy. Or maybe I did stream. I don't even remember my schedule. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. We actually had a breakout over here in the 4-hour chart. So I'm happy that that projection actually worked out. Let's see where Bitcoin takes us from here. If we do continue going up, we could reach this level. But there might be some reasons why we went up this much here. So we'll be taking a look at that in a second. And as I mentioned, yeah, no new trades for now, but we will find some opportunities. Let's go down to the 5-minute chart. Still keeping this volume weighted average price strategy. The RSI was oversold over here. Doesn't count right now, so we can leave Bitcoin alone for today. Ethereum. Let's see. Oh, there's fireworks in the background as well because of Canada Day. And I'm not doing anything for it, just streaming instead. We actually got a nice bounce right over here on this Fibonacci level, considered oversold. I couldn't enter it though, it was not available at this time. But it's slowly coming back up, so for now, nothing we can do at Ethereum. Currently $3,443.98, 27 cents, 44, never mind. All right, next coin, we have Ripple. At 41 level at the RSI, currently at 47 cents. Nothing we can do here yet. So let's move on to Litecoin. Not considered oversold, even though it's very, very far down here. Next is Cardano. Cardano's at 40 cents. And on the VWAP line, not much we can do here. It is going up a bit today, interestingly enough, compared to the rest of the coins. Dogecoin, it's a bit lower, but still not considered oversold, so we don't enter this. Although it is a bit tempting for it to go back all the way up. We'll have to skip it for now. Solana. Yeah, same thing happened over here, oversold. Missed this movement. It did eventually reach that VWAP line. Would have been a good take profit if I was available at whatever this was, 6:20 p.m. Yeah, it's 9 o'clock right now. So not much I can do here for Solana. It's nicely been coming back up though. It did dip after the ETF news, right? ETF news made it pump up all the way to 152 approximately, dropped down to like almost 137, yeah. Now it's back to 147. So pretty good stuff for Solana, $147.05. Next coin is Shiba Inu. Not considered oversold yet. It has dropped quite a bit. It's currently 0.4017. That's the normal price we should see it at. So yeah, not much we can do with Shiba Inu right now. Let's take a look at Binance Coin. Dropping pretty nicely. Okay, we might have something in Binance here. If this goes under the RSI towards oversold territory once again. Might have to get this ready because I do not want to miss the trade again. I'll estimate it around this grid line 574. It's currently $576.14. I'm sure it might drop a little bit more just to give us that entry signal. We can put a take profit at whatever this volume weighted average price is. 579.1183. And then we'll use a risk reward ratio of 1-to-1, which is right there. So an ideal trade would be something like this. I'm going to switch this to VST real quick. Okay, it's not happening yet. We'll give it some time, and we'll go take a look at the other coins, but Binance is a good option, and I'm going to write this down for myself. BNB. If my pen works. My pen does not work. Do you even hear that scratching? Okay, there we go. It's working now. BNB. Cool. Let's see how this go. Can I actually make this alert, price alert? Enable sound. We want this alerting me at, I can't even read this. 574. We'll say 575 on the dot, because that's close enough. It'll give me some time to react as well. So 575, just once create. I've never tried an alert on here, so we're testing this live. See if it works. It's going back up a little bit, which is unfortunate. It's got to drop another 67 cents for that alert to trigger, and then for me to consider entering if it does drop a bit more. Currently in a downtrend, so I would assume it would a little bit more before it bounces all the way up to that VWAP line. Next coin is Phantom. Currently very, very close to that VWAP line on the 50s and the RSI, so not much we can do. Currently 58 cents. Yesterday was a great day for Phantom as well. Went all the way up to like 60, 61, yep. From like 54, 53. Good rally up here. And it actually stopped at this line. This line. Yeah, I don't know. Doesn't really serve much purpose, but it's just interesting coincidence. It landed at this line. But yeah, no opportunities for Phantom today. Let's take a look at Pepe. Pepe, probably my favorite meme coin. In the 40s for the RSI. It could drop a little bit more. And then we could see some entry if it does dip a little bit. Currently a green candle on the 5-minute chart. It's at 4011. Ton coin is, wow, actually overbought at one point compared to the rest of the coins. Overbought, bounced down to the VWAP. Overbought, bounced down to the VWAP. Overbought, bounced down to the VWAP. This time it did not reach that level. I missed it. This was at also 6 o'clock. While everything dipped at 6 o'clock, Ton coin went up at 6 o'clock for some reason. Just goes to show, you know, this coin does its own thing, which is good. I like to have some diversity, right? Where coins just do their other stuff in the background, so that not everything mimics the same pattern, because, you know, you miss an opportunity for one, that means you miss the opportunity for many other coins, because they all follow a similar pattern most of the time. But for different ecosystem like this, like Toncoin, I like stuff like this. Or like Binance, I'm slowly starting to like because it's doing different stuff compared to the rest. Speaking of Binance, no, nothing yet. I will get alerted either way when it does get close at least to an oversold territory, so I can prepare to enter. Still currently $575.46, and Toncoin was $7.74. It's on the VWAP line right now. Dipped a little. Alright, cool. I wonder what's happening with Cardano. It's one of the only coins, other than Toncoin, a little bit of Toncoin, that's going up, right? It's about 2% up today. Interesting. So, Oh, they did mention actually from one of the previous analyses I read is that the $40, 40 cent line, it's a good resistance, and if it does break through with that, it can start to rally up again. So maybe some good news for Cardano made it push it up. We'll go ahead and review that in a second. Speaking of news, let's see what's been going on while I was gone. So some new stuff, well, I'm pretty sure we did see this coming for a while now, is that the Ethereum ETF is likely to be approved in July. That was one of the reasons why I was a bit bullish on Bitcoin and why I kind of predicted, right, this price movement that, hey, this red circle, I'm putting it here because July is going to be an interesting month for the ETFs, especially for Ethereum. So that's one good thing. Next thing in the news is the Bitcoin ETFs. What's been going on with them? BlackRock's actually been, getting a lot of inflow for Bitcoin. So has ARK. This is Grayscale selling Bitcoin as usual. And Fidelity is also known to start selling Bitcoin a lot now. But overall, the total net flow, we got a lot of inflow of Bitcoin. So in general, ETFs are starting to buy again, which is a good thing for Bitcoin. That's making the price go up. Another thing that's good news is CZ. He's coming back in 4 weeks. He's currently in jail. This is the ex-CEO of Binance, right? The Binance coin that we're looking at. This guy. So, yeah, that might be some good news, right? His sentencing is pretty much over. I think it was just like 4 months that he got sentenced for. So, yeah, he's coming back soon. Next thing in the news is that Sony is actually going to create a new crypto exchange, right? Well, I think they're reusing an older one or something. I didn't read too much about it, but we can check more about that in Cointelegraph. It's probably some news article on it. And it's set in, I think, I don't remember if it's Korea or Japan, some Asian country that they will be hosting it there. So, Sony's getting involved, which is good news always. Another thing is Saudi Arabia. They say that Bitcoin is acceptable under Islam for anybody who's Islamic, Muslim. So I guess that's good. Not sure what that has to do with it, but, that's something. What's been causing a lot of, a bit of FUD actually is in Europe. We've got the France elections, and the right wing won by quite a lot, significant, and they beat Macron, I guess, the other president, the other presidential candidates, right? Which, they did threaten, like, we're going to make civil war if we lose this election. So now, multiple US bases in Italy, Germany, Bulgaria, Romania have been put on high alert for imminent threat of terrorism, just to be safe, right? I think they said it was like a code Charlie, something like that, which is one of the higher codes of, alertness. They got to stay alert in case of some terrorist attack or something that the French do to revolt over the elections. But yeah, there's that. Roaring Kitty, Keith Gill. This guy is a guy that did insider trading, I guess, with GameStop. They made a meme coin about that on Solana as well. But yeah, they made GameStop pump a lot, right? Him and his community. This happened also like back in 2021. This is where it originated from. They made the stock price pump up all the way. He got super rich. And then the price went back down to its normal price. And he just disappeared for a long time. Then he came back to Twitter this year. Started posting more memes. Said, okay, we're going to buy even more GameStop this time. And he did. And Andrew Tate was involved. And everybody was just buying the stock again for GameStop. Making the price go up a lot more. Again, making him probably rich again. And then he revealed later, he made a live stream on YouTube. I'm pretty sure I did cover that on one of my very earlier streams. And it was kind of an underwhelming stream, honestly, because he was kind of like being watched a lot by the feds to make sure that he doesn't mess up, to not get into legal trouble. He's getting into legal trouble right now. They're going to sue him very soon, right? And he had a lot of option calls on GameStop for a specific date, and this is last month in June, which ultimately I think nothing happened with that, right? Because of the letdown of the stream that he did. It wasn't so interesting. He had like, um, I think almost 1 million people gonna watch that, but yeah, nothing much happened. They did reveal now that he actually has a lot of Chewy, which is dog food company. Um, he has so much, and this has also been pumping because of that. 26% in the pre-market today, which is crazy. Next, well, just some interesting thing I saw is that John McAfee, the guy who made the McAfee antivirus software, and then he died. I forget how he died. He was probably like killed by the government or something, or they made it seem like it was probably suicide or something. I don't know. But anyways, he tweeted this out before. And also, by the way, he said he would not kill himself ever. So don't trust if the news, right? If they say that he killed himself, he probably got killed, or maybe that was a cover up. I don't know. Anyways, he said that Russia's first time traveler has returned. Guess what he said? In September, Biden is medically diagnosed as unfit for office and quits. They discovered that the DNC has legal power to choose a replacement without a national vote. Weird, huh? You'll never guess who they chose. And this was said back in 2020, and that's kind of true, honestly. And I could see this happening in September, 2 months from now. So maybe he's right. I don't know. I don't know if time travel exists, honestly. Another funny meme is Nike just sold it because of the big price drop that Nike had. I don't remember if I covered this, but yeah, Nike just dropped super hard. Bad projections of the upcoming year. So not many people want to invest in it anymore, which is fair enough. It dipped very, very hard though, so a lot of people did lose their money. Next thing is this. Speaking of losing money, what's going on with Tia? I do not know what this project is. I just saw this post and I'm like, okay, you know what? I kind of want to check this out live. Let's see if it exists then. By the way, this has not dipped enough. I'm still looking at Binance. Yeah, it has not dipped enough. It did dip a little bit, actually. Did this dip right now and it never notified me? It's 525. Is this on? It didn't alert me. This never alerted me. Is it alerting on my phone or something? Oh, I got an email. No, that's not it. Never mind. I don't even know. This didn't notify me. Wow, I could have lost a lot of money because of that. Either way, it's still not oversold on RSI, so I would have not entered that point anyway. Still gotta wait for it to drop a bit more. For Binance. I was looking for TIA. That's what this is, right? TIA. Let's take a look at this. TIA, we do have it on Bing X. Minus 7% today, that's pretty harsh. Let's go at the 4-hour chart. I want to look at this top down. Oh my gosh, it's been dropping a lot. Oh, it's still dropping. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so one of the lowest points ever. I don't know what this coin actually is. I'm going to look it up on CoinMarketCap. Oh, it's Celestia. Okay, I have heard of this then. It's number 67. Oh yeah, so Moonbag, Celestia, something that had to do with this. I forget what it was. It's the first modular blockchain network that enables anyone to easily deploy their own blockchain with minimal overhead. Okay, so blockchains. Okay, but it's been dropping a lot though. And no special news, right? 6 hours ago, 12 hours ago. I think I remember Celestial being one of the top losers a couple streams ago. I might have looked at it, I think. And I remember this Moonbag news that the staking rewards is higher, right? So people are moving over to Moonbag instead of, you know, what Celestia has to offer. Or Caspa, I guess, is another one. Okay. Yeah, so it's just really unpopular right now. It's kind of getting the phantom treatment, I guess. Yeah, it's just continuously been going down. I do wonder if is there anything interesting in 5 minutes chart. No, there isn't. I can just tell by looking at the RSI. Yeah, nothing too interesting for now. But yeah. I wouldn't hold this coin, honestly. I don't know if it would ever recover, go back up again, so it's better to stay away from that. Cool. Now, that's pretty much all I had for news. Just interesting stuff I read over the weekend. Bitcoin begins month with a rebound as Metaplanet's Bitcoin investment tops $10 million. Okay, so Metaplanet's investing in Bitcoin now. Tokyo listed Metaplanets. Recent acquisition pushing its total. Okay. This purchase coincides with Bitcoin's positive start in July as the cryptocurrency begins to recover recently lost gains. Currently, Bitcoin is trading above $63,000, marking an increase of nearly 3% in the past day. So, Metaplanet's expansion into Bitcoin. What exactly is Metaplanet? I do also want to Metaplanet. Okay, so it's an investment company. So, is it an ETF then? Probably. No. They have a stock. Check this out on Yahoo Finance. My eyeballs. Okay, that's better. It's dropping still, even though they bought a lot of Bitcoin. Yeah, so it's just an investment company. Cool. And it's from Japan. It's in Japanese yens. Okay. I think was this the one that Sony is partnering with? What was the I do want to see if it's on Cointelegraph first, just before I start Googling random stuff. Experts say SCOTUS opinions will limit SEC power over crypto. Interesting. Supreme Court of the United States. No phishing scammer goes after Hedera users. Poisoning gets 70,000. Okay, so some scams going around. Hamster Combat. All right. Coinbase will custody digital assets. Okay, no, that's none of these. Oh yeah, here's the Roaring Kitty. GameStop. They're getting the lawsuit. And all right, I'm gonna have to crypto. I'll just read this one. $105 billion electronics giant Sony to launch new Bitcoin exchange. Yeah. What is the Bitcoin? It's S blocks. That's what they're launching. Okay. I'm just curious because 100 million kind of matches what this one says, and it's in Japan, right? And the other one had yens, which is also from Japan. It's interesting. But I don't think it's the same thing. I think it's just a coincidence. Yeah. Anyways, Metaplanet made headlines by acquiring an additional 20.195 Bitcoin valued at approximately $1.2 million, as announced just after the market close on Tokyo Stock Exchange. Okay. Yeah, so this is just making the price of Bitcoin go up since they're buying a lot, which is good. Yeah. So that's what's been going on there. Toncoin to hit $8 if this happens. Okay, this is some other news. Let's also take a look at it. But before I do that, I don't trust this Binance alerts thing. It did not alert me. And it's already going up now. I guess I missed a chance. I blame the alerts not working. How does this even work? Let's say if I want to be alerted at 575.79 or something like that. Or, oh, okay. 575.61, let's say. Okay, create. Here's my alert. We're waiting for 575.61. Or what? I forget what I said. Yeah, it's 61. It's currently 76, 73, 71. Just drop 10 cents. or whatever. I'll make another alert, I guess, at 575.70. This is being annoying. It's taking too long. And then price is just going to go up from here. It's not going to hit the 70 because that's how crypto works. And this is so annoying. It's stuck between these 71. Okay, 69. Yeah, there you go. I didn't get any alert. This is fake. You can't trust any of this. Or do I have to like go to some settings to change the sounds? No. Okay, cool. So you don't get notified with the price alerts unless they alert here? No, I don't think so. Yeah, whatever. I guess that will never work. Okay, this has been taken care of. So, 10 coin is getting interesting. Currently $7.76. It reached $7.83. It did also reach $7.86. Okay, yeah, this might actually hit the $8 mark. What is this here for? I think it might have already. This is lying to me. Yeah, it already hit this $8 mark. You're lying. Shiba Inu is anemic. Is it good or bad thing? Bitcoin at pivotal moments reaching $63,000. Despite the market-wide bear trend, Toncoin looks unfazed and just moves upward like it did a few weeks ago despite the major shift. Thanks to a strong ecosystem, Ton is... Stop. Okay. Ton is unlikely to feel the pressure coming from Ethereum, Bitcoin, and other legacy cryptocurrencies. One of the biggest messaging services in the world, Telegram, provides strong support for Toncoin's robust ecosystem, which is what gives it its resilience. With a strong foundation provided by this integration, Ton is sure to grow and be adopted over time. Compared to many other cryptocurrencies, Toncoin is able to handle market fluctuations better thanks to the strength of its ecosystem. Technically speaking, Ton is looking good. I agree. Ton is presently trading at about $7.69. According to the price chart, continued to rise steadily in spite of general market declines. It's supported by important moving averages. Yeah, I agree. Cool. 62,800, 3,444, 574. It's not 574. Looking at Binance. I'm at a 4-hour chart. Still has not dipped enough. If it was 574, it would be down here, which is kind of the price that I want. That's what it says in TradingView, though. Wait, no, it says that in market cap, coin market cap. Almost 575. Yeah. So it's just showing different stuff. Depending on the liquidity, depending on the broker that you're using, the exchange, they'll show a different price, but it's usually around the same. Alright, so there's that. Let's take a look at all the other coins again. I just can't believe how perfect this was, honestly. Nothing in Bitcoin. Ethereum. Oh, there's more fireworks going off. Maybe they're gunshots. I don't know. Nothing in Ethereum. Still 3,447. Ripple. Still at 47 cents. Kind of in the center of the RSI. Oh, and I do also have this open in case that Bitcoin does reach overbought or oversold territory. Still nothing yet. Litecoin's slowly starting to come up here. Okay. If this reaches overbought territory and it's under the VWAP line, that's like the one case where I would just ignore that. Because if it's telling you that it's up, it's telling you that the price should go down. And why would you want the price to go down if you know, you want the price to go to the VWAP line, right? Which means it's most likely to hit your stop loss. So you wouldn't short a position like that if it becomes overbought and it's under the VWAP line. Although I don't think I have seen that yet. It's unlikely. So, but it's just part of my strategy. I guess this would kind of count. That's very, very close though. Look at this example. So it's oversold over here, but it's like at the VWAP line. So at that point, it's neutral. You basically don't do anything. Here, for example, it's overbought, right? So you would short this. It's above the VWAP line, so this is perfectly fine. And we put this take profit at this level. Risk reward 1 to 1. And hits that take profit right around here, which would have been perfect. But I was not here at... Well, this could have happened if I was streaming last night. I would have been able to make that money. But what was I even doing last night? What was it, Sunday? Yeah, I was literally doing nothing. Oh, I was watching a soccer match because Ecuador was playing, so I guess for watching that I missed it. I missed the streaming, but it's fine. It was an underwhelming match either way. It was 0-0 against I don't remember who they played against now. Was it Peru? I actually forgot, and it's making me angry. Ecuador, soccer. It was Mexico, that's what it was, and they went 0-0. Do we know who they're playing next? July 4. Oh. And they're playing Argentina. Well, we lost. That's as far as we'll go. We're gonna get 2-0'd by Argentina, which is fine. Did pretty good in the other brackets. They're at the semifinals pretty much. Okay, so yeah, nothing good with Litecoin. Missed trade from yesterday, but that's life. Let's go to Cardano. Oh yeah, I wanted to check what's up with Cardano. That was a big thing. If I can find it on this list anymore. It used to be top 3, now it's like top 10. News. Moonbags, best crypto presale, transformed to crypto arena was seeking. And Cardano rise? Yes, Cardano rise, but why? Cardano founder urges caution on AI risks amid Robinhood's technological push. Okay, that's not good news. Alright, let's read this one. My eyes are burning. Okay. Stop. Every investor is venturing in cryptocurrency. Okay, where's the Cardano stuff? From Cardano to Moonbag. Investors seek higher returns. Attracting developers and investors interested in sustainable and robust decentralized applications, Cardano is known for its scientific approach to building a secure and scalable blockchain. However, attention has shifted to the Moonbag coin. Okay, so you're just shilling the Moonbag coin. How do I get out of this? And that's it. They only said that about Cardano. Okay, so nothing new. What if I go here onto... Five hours ago, analyst says Cardano has bottomed and will rally to 80 cents, but it must hold this level. That's pretty bold claim. 80 cents. That's doubling its price. That is a lot. That is a lot. Let me take a look at this. 80 cents. It has not reached this level ever since like 2021. Okay, wait, it did almost. Okay, I guess that makes sense. So during Bitcoin's rise, it reached 80 cents. And it makes sense. That's why they're analyzing 80 cents next. Which is fair. I'll add this as a target, potential target. 80. 0.8. And I can add text. Who are these? What's your source? Okay. A crypto analyst. We don't know who. has uncovered a new technical pattern in the Cardano price movement, signaling the potential for a substantial rebound. I'll be the judge of that. Yeah, kind of fair. It's interesting. Okay. What else? Echoing this optimism, another analyst has affirmed that Cardano may have hit its bottom, and it could be on the verge of rebounding to 80 cents. Well, yeah, of course it did hit its bottom. That was the lowest annual price that we had here. Like, we haven't seen this level since November. That's crazy. So, that's when it bottomed out over here. Currently, it is going up again. I doubt it will do something like this. Maybe unless there's some huge fundamental news for crypto in general, because Cardano itself, in my opinion, is just not doing so much. Because, like I said here, with Cardano, the percent from its all-time high it's very, very far off. Meanwhile, other coins like Solana did reach very close. Binance it did break a new all-time high. Ethereum is also very close. Ripple, same thing with Cardano. Ripple is the same as Cardano. Same as Dogecoin, same as Avalanche, same as Shiba Inu, same as Polkadot, same as Polygon, and Litecoin too. They're very, very far from their all-time highs, essentially. So, yeah. Analyst declares Cardano's price bottom. So, in an X, formerly Twitter post, on June 29, there we go. So, it's Captain Fabic, a crypto analyst, shared his insights on Cardano's price action and future outlook. According to the analyst, Cardano's native token, ADA, is forming a falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. Falling wedge pattern. Isn't that when there's falling wedge pattern, if I'm remembering this correctly, is something like this, and the price is going like this, and then ideally it breaks out and goes up again. I think this is falling wedge pattern. Let me just look it up. Falling wedge pattern. And I was right, yes. So it's this one. Yeah. But where do you see this? I don't see this. Oh, what am I doing? Maybe if you're looking at it like this is terrible. And like this. Oh, maybe, yeah, in a longer time frame, I could kind of see that. See what I'm saying here? Why do you do that? Okay, anyways. This is bad. This is so terrible looking. But you get the idea. It's something like this. I would expect, right, from its yearly high. It's dropping like this. And then we have another one. It is kind of, well, I'll fix that in a sec. Because of this magnet, it's messing me up. I'm just trying to generalize the pattern movements. I don't know if they're thinking it's like this. I could probably go to this guy's Twitter and figure it out for myself. But, yeah. What is this guy's name? Captain Fabic. I will look that up. And I think he's the one that's targeting this. Go red. Middle right. Yeah, something like this so that I know, okay, this is this guy's price analysis. Because it's interesting. It's good to get other traders' insights on how they're analyzing the other coins as well. Let's see what else it says. Falling wedge pattern is a unique technical pattern for me. Okay, I just did that. Signals the end of a consolidation phase and the beginning of a potential reversal or continuation pattern. This falling wedge formation often indicates that a cryptocurrency has hit its bottom or swing low in a market and is seen as a bullish indicator. Yeah, so the price is going to go back up again. Sharing a price chart of Cardano from September 2023 to August 2024, Fabic predicted that Cardano would be breaking out of its price correction soon. The analyst has foreseen a 72.84% surge from the cryptocurrency's current price. As a result, Fabic has urged Cardano investors to keep an eye on this crucial area. Okay? There's another one here. Okay, so sharing a similar sentiment, another crypto analyst identified as Zake Charts on Twitter has also unveiled the unique falling wedge pattern on Cardano's chart. In his case, he foresees a substantial breakup between 40 to 50% for Cardano. Okay, so once he's 72%, the Captain Fabic guy, and then Zake Charts estimates 40 to 50%. Let's just say 50% for both of them, as where price currently is. If this was to go up 50%, that's 100%. Because, yeah, I guess it has to double. So he said 40 to 50. So that's between 57 cents and 61 cents. Fair. I can kind of see that. And the other guy thinks it's 74%, I think, which is at 71 cents right now. 72%. Yeah, well, about 70 cents. But where's the 80 cents part? I'm curious about that one. Here's one. So, if Cardano breaks out of the falling wedge pattern, it could surge to nearly 80 cents. A crypto analyst identified as Cryptoferus, okay, so this is the guy, Cryptoferus, has revealed the crucial support level that Cardano must maintain to secure its anticipated bullish rebound, which I'm assuming that's going to be the 40 cents mark. In his price chart, Cryptoferus highlighted Cardano's latest price actions, marking the okay, yeah, exactly, at 42 cents with a yellow box. The analyst warned that if Cardano fails to hold this level, it would experience another sharp decline, potentially pushing its price down to new lows at 24 cents. I totally agree with that. Man, I'm having the same vision as these big traders. Isn't that crazy? Since the beginning of the year, the price of Cardano has been on a major downward trend. Yep. Experiencing constant declines in both favorable market conditions and high volatility, while other altcoins like Solana and Ethereum have surged considerably. Cardano underperforms, consistently maintaining a price below $1. Yeah, that's what's infuriating to me, because I remember Cardano being $3, I think $4. Maybe that was in Canadian or something. But yeah, to see it in the cents mark at 40 cents, that's just brutal. As of writing, the cryptocurrencies at 39 cents experienced a slight daily uptick of 3.24% as market conditions stabilize. Its 24-hour trading volume has also surged considerably, recording an increase of approximately 24.84%. So a lot of volume is flowing into Cardano as well, which that explains the price pump for today. Almost 2%. It dropped a little bit. But yeah, in general, I can kind of see this. So this is not Captain Fabic, this is Cryptoferus. And I do want to look at his Twitter account to see what his analysis is. I'm going to look at all of them just to see what they did. Cryptoferus, engineer, full-time Bitcoin and crypto trader. Where is your Cardano stuff? Bitcoin macro chart. When did this post come out? July 1st. This came out today. Where is the Cardano analysis? Am I just reading these wrong? This is Bitcoin, right? Yeah, it's all Bitcoin. Okay. Here's Cardano. Oh, yeah. So, this needs to reclaim the yellow box ASAP so it can attack the 75 cents again. Otherwise, another nosedive toward 24 cents. Retweet. Alright, so there's his analysis pretty much. Well, he's looking at this at a very long scale. I've only been looking at this section right over here. He's looking at it from all of this as well. This is 2021 times, right? Yeah. FTX crash, 2023 bear, crypto winter, bear market, 2024 Bitcoin ETFs in February, March, Bitcoin all-time high, price dip, wars. This is where it currently is. So he's marked, around the 42 cents. It has to stay above that level. And if it doesn't, we're going to go down to 24 cents, which is the bottoms of the 2023 crypto winter. That makes sense. Okay, so that is an 80% price surge. It goes up to 78 cents, 80 cents approximately. So yeah, what they're saying is pretty much correct. And there's no falling wedge pattern, but I did want to see the other one. So he did mention another crypto analyst, which was Crypto Ferras. Oh no, that's this guy. Captain Fabic is the other guy. He's the one that drew the falling wedge pattern. So I'm interested in looking at that. Also, let me just go back. This guy looks like he's doing some really good analysis. Okay, anyways, Captain Fabic. Okay. Another broadening wedge. Okay. Falling wedge. Falling. I guess this guy's doing that for everything, it looks like. Where's the Cardano? Here it is. There's a falling wedge formation on the daily time frame chart. And this is from when? Okay, so this is from the beginning of the year. Kind of what I drew, is it? What did I draw? I didn't draw anything. But it's something like this. Okay, so this is kind of still going. This one, this uptrend it broke already, so I'm just going to remove it so that I know what I'm doing. And I'll just reuse this, it's fine. So price is coming down like that. Right? I'm just copying this guy's homework. From the minimums before the bull run in February, that's 1 point, and the second point is where we're currently at right now. So from this point is basically what's been trading. It has to be an extended line, I assume. Oh, it's blue. So he's looking at something like this. Yeah. That's weird. And then from there, if it breaks out above the 40 cents level, this is a previous analysis I read a couple streams ago, is the 40 cents. It has to break over that point for price to go up further. So we are currently at the 40 cents level. We're going to have to see if it does go up a little further. Can I just change this? I hate that it's blue. Okay, there we go. So yeah, something like this. I kind of see that. And he predicted a price movement of up to 69 cents, right? So 72% of the price going up. Okay. Yeah, like this one seems a bit more reasonable too. The other guy predicted a bit less. Yeah, so 72%. The other guy predicted 40 to 50%. I'll take a look at this one too. Zake charts. I got a bot. Thank you, bot, for following. Zake charts. I assume it's this guy. Falling wedge, falling wedge, falling wedge. Everything has a falling wedge. Ethereum, Cardano. Here's the Cardano one. It's pretty similar to the other guy's chart, seems like. On the 1 day time frame, falling wedge pattern indicates that a breakout could result in 40 to 50% rise. Yeah, so that's what they mentioned in that trading view analysis too. Yeah, it's the exact same thing almost. This one seems a bit better, I think. This is from the minimums of April. Okay, this one actually looks a bit better. Oh, I'm already considering that though, am I? Yeah, this is the minimums of April. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Something like this, I assume. And these do end eventually is what's mixing me up. Okay, I'm just going to use a normal trend line. So they're drawing something like this. Okay, this looks much better. I'll use the same thing for this. So from here, this is something like this. They draw it differently. They ignore the shadows of the candle, I guess is what you call these. I forgot what you call these. The ticks, the whatever. But they ignore that. They draw something like this. This is weird. I guess it's something like that, right? Whatever. General analysis, and they expect to break out at this zone. We're very close to it, so I just hope these guys are right or something. Circle, I'll draw that over here. There you go. So make it a bit smaller. Let's see what happens around this price level. Me personally, though, I would trying to see, could I do a Fibonacci? If I'm doing it downwards, that won't make sense. It has to be upwards. We're waiting for price to go down. If we're doing it upwards, though, okay. Let me do a fib retracement. Something like this. And now I can enable my magnet here. Yep. And here. Well, not there. Here. Let me lock that. Okay. So here's the other levels. The 40 cents was important indeed. If we do break that, we'll hit the 46 mark before we see some potential slowdown. Any resistance that I have... I kind of drew a downtrend here, but I don't know how strong that might be. I got rid of it already, but it was something like this. Seems more like a support. I mean, a resistance, not a support. Okay, odd. Whatever. We'll leave it at that for now. I don't even know if this is even going to break this level. I come back down to bounce at 35 cents again. Okay, we'll see what happens there. What has been happening with Binance? I'm at the 4-hour chart. 5 minutes. Bounce back up again. Almost hit that oversold mark over here. I didn't get notified. This thing is scamming me. It's not alerting me. And I can't set up any alerts on TradingView either because it just doesn't do it. How about here? I think I might be able to set up unlimited alerts for CoinMarketCap. I'm going to test it actually. But the prices are different though. That's the issue. Prices are very different. It's 574.96 on CoinMarketCap, and here it's 575.86. It's a whole dollar almost. So you can't really trust that. It sucks that futures operate like this. All right, well, I guess that's a mistrade. Let's look back to Bitcoin. Oh, Mouse is in the chat. How's it going, buddy? This is what you made me do. I trade crypto now. How does that make you feel? Trade crypto for a living now. I'm screwed. Nothing for Bitcoin still. Middle of the RSI. I'm wondering if I could try the different strategy, but I do want to keep this volume weighted average price strategy for now. Same with Ethereum, nothing yet. Ripple. Still there. We did a long analysis on Cardano, so we'll skip that. Litecoin. Yeah, L. Yeah, this would have hit overbought territory, so nothing we could do there. We're not entering a trade if it's like that under the VWAP line. Dogecoin is... it dropped here, but it didn't count it as oversold, so we couldn't enter. Solana. I think this might be another day with no trades. It's on the VWAP line. Not much we can do for Solana. Shiba Inu. I'm going to check the top gainers and top losers, actually, to see if we can find something there. That might be a better idea. In the meantime, Shiba Inu doing nothing. Binance, we just looked at. Phantom. On the VWAP line. Pepe. Let's see what's going on here. Bonk is up a lot. Okay, that's interesting. It's good to find reversals on meme coins because usually they drop a lot after pumping hard. And this is doing nothing for now. Why is Bonk going up and not Pepe? That's weird. Toncoin, nothing. Okay, let's see. Bonk, what are you doing? It's at quadruple 0.26. 26, okay. Okay. Up a lot. Bonk. I think this month, yeah, it's 1,000 bonk. So it's showing the 26 without the 4 zeros. Well, 3 zeros, I think. It's still technically considered overbought. Okay, this is looking pretty good, though, actually. So this might save our trading day for today. If I was to short this right there, we get that on the VWAP line approximately. Risk reward 1 to 1. I'm going to enter this trade. I like it. My equity is in VST 10,447.97. Still going up, so I have time. I have time. It's better if it goes up. Margin, I will use, I'm not going to use 20x, I'm using 5x. You don't want to use too much leverage. And, okay, let me put the price levels first. VWAP is the take profit, so 0.025367. I'm shorting, right? Short. Okay, there we go. What? Okay, I'm using too much volume, that's why it's showing that. But anyway, 0.02726 approximately. And just drop the money price so we can go for $100. Oh wow, it's okay, maybe less leverage. 68, 136, 136. $200. No, this has to drop. What's 200? 200 gives me 130. 190 gives me 124. Let's try 175. Yeah, that's perfect. So 175, well, this is not right, actually. 0.02, oh, I put an extra 0 in here. Yeah, no wonder. Okay, I was saying this volume seems very, very short. Alright, this is more like it. Yeah, I'm confident in a trade like this. 3x leverage. I'm kind of inverse, but that's okay. I can just change this out later. Just give me whatever the VWAP is telling me. 5370. 0.025370. We get 109. It's dropping already. Wait, let it go back up. What is a couple cents? Doesn't matter. Alright, I think we entered the trade. There we go. Bonk is our first trade. Let's go. Okay, so let me just readjust these prices. I really got to be quicker, honestly. I'm taking too long on these. Entry price was that. And my take profit is this. It's essentially the VWAP, which is correct. We'll readjust the stop loss to be 1-to-1. Oh, this is dropping hard. Okay. So about there. 0.026964. Let me add that. Stop. 0.026964. There you go. Losing 105 to gain 104. Awesome. We buy high, sell low. And let's just hope that it doesn't go up anymore. It did hit that exact line for the RSI, so I'm confident in this trade right now. It's not going to go further up. 57 minutes. All right, let's check another coin. See if there's anything else going up a lot. It's only been bonkers up 13%. Everything else is kind of dropping. Just looking for a little short reversal. It's not too harsh. I know I'm going against the trend, but that's how this strategy works. Yeah, Mouse, I'm still in the O2 community, kind of. Like, it's been very, very silent, very dead. Like, not much has been happening. There's been some events that people try to organize, but in general, it's all been kind of failing. A lot of teams disbanded, so me personally, I don't play anymore. But yeah. That's life, bro. We gotta move on. Gotta make money. Mantra, I've never heard of this coin. Security first RWA layer 1 blockchain. Do we even have this? Symbols are OM. It's number 96. Okay, let's take a look at this. This bonk is still a negative, but that's fine. OM. Oh, we do have it. Yeah, I know. It all went downhill since you've been gone, Mouse. But yeah, you did the right thing in my opinion from leaving, because then everybody else just like, yeah, you know what are we really doing? So yeah, most people just gave up on it. No, they don't really talk much about you anymore. Your name isn't really mentioned around. Like, it's kind of dead. Like, nobody says anything in general, right? But yeah. Here, there's nothing. A cash network. good pump. It came down a bit. Is it AKT? Oh, we don't have this. Beautiful. Beam. Never heard of this. Merit cycle token is migrating to beam. Okay, cool. So that's probably why this is pumping a little bit. They're getting a token migration. And it is going up. Do we have this? Number 77. It's called beam. Let's see. Beam. We do have it. Oh, that's beautiful. That's wonderful. That is the best chart I've ever seen. Shorting this immediately. VWAP line 0.17262. Alright. What happened here? 0.017262. There we go. Shorting it, we'll put 5x leverage, take profit. Can I copy this just quickly right there? Just put something here, 104. That looks good. Oh, this is going up even more. That's better. Up a bit more, a little bit more. And I think now we're shorting there. Okay. It's perfect. Let me adjust this visually. Find the entry prices here. Okay. So that's my take profit on the VWAP line. Stop loss 1 to 1. Cool. We got 2 random trades from looking at the top gainers, top losers. I feel like its momentum is probably dying off. Look at this big sell-off over here. Immediately pumped up here over here recently. Don't know how much longer this will last. This is how many candles? 20 bars. This pump. 21 bars. Yeah, it's about time it reverses. I hope. Otherwise I'll lose. But I mean, yeah, come on. For this to reach the VWAP line again, it's good enough. Oh, I have to put a stop loss. Stop loss is this. Edit this one, add stop loss here. 117. Fair enough. Mel says I can't really visit the server since I'm banned to see how it's doing. Yeah. Yeah, but I don't really care. Doing your own thing. That's good, man. What have you been up to? Like just working in general? Because like, yeah, generally nobody else like really plays. That's just what's been going on. Server's kind of dead. I kind of need this to stop going up. I regret. Yeah, usually what my strategy says is wait for this to come back down and hit the line again. That kind of already happened over here. Over here. But then it went up again. That's weird. Alright. And also, like, if I do wait for this to come back down again, it would probably hit around the same level, to be honest. But, yeah. Oh, you've been working and doing your music. That's great, man. That's great. Yeah, it's coming back down anyway. I'm safe. I would have just entered the position at the same level, pretty much. Because hitting this level again at the 70 mark for the RSI is confirmation that price is going to dip again. Okay, cool. There's that. I'm on day 7 and let me show my Excel. Shield your eyes, this is bright. I am up to 10,000. I started this account June 21, $10,000. Lost some, gained some. Average of $42. Well, the sum actually, sorry, is $508 is what I've made. The commissions, I've had to pay $60, so I'm up like $400, $447, right? That's my current equity on this account. Thank you, Mouse. Heading out, keep doing you, and don't give up. Yes, sir. That's how we do it. I also wish you all the best, buddy. I also think I'm done for this stream for now. Let me show this again. Beautiful. All right. These trades so far looking okay. Well, not bonk. We're still a bit down on bonk because it's been going up a bit. I think a reversal's coming soon. Oh, it's into overbought territory. Well, I'm hoping that reverses soon. We'll see how these trades turn out. So I'll go live again tomorrow. I'm also thinking of starting to do these streams in Spanish too. I'll do some Spanish stream like earlier and then an English stream later, talking about similar stuff, but the idea is I will be streaming twice a day and then you know, giving news and stuff in English and Spanish. That's my ideal way of doing stuff. Okay, Beam is doing good. If Bonk doesn't turn out good, then Beam should probably cover me. Rest is just up 3 to 1%. Not much going on here. Fetch. Oh, they finally merged. So Fetch, Singularity, and Ocean Protocol finally merged to this Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, a crazy long name, and they're down 11%. I'm not sure if people really like this change, or maybe it's, hold on. Yeah, they crashed hard, but there's one crypto token. Okay, whatever. Yeah, they're crashing the AI coins, cryptocurrencies. Gosh, I can't talk today. Do we have this one? Artificial super. It's still called Fetch though, so we don't have Fetch on here. Yeah, it's just dropping a lot though. 11% is crazy. Notcoin is also down. I'm actually interested in that. Before I end the stream, I just want to look at Not. No, nothing going on here. And Binance, just one last look. Oh, it went up. Yeah, I couldn't get into this trade here. Didn't give me the signal to do so. I'm angry, but whatever. Okay, then. Win some, you lose some. My thing here is that, yeah, if Bonk turns out bad, Beam should compensate for that. Hopefully. I don't know. Alright, that's all for today then. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah. Take care. Happy Canada Day. Bye.